a bit. One of the main reasons that the market is selling off is the Japanese bond market was really collapsing. Um,
Yields are going up. Your yields are at highs, aren't they? Like all highs you
yeah,
haven't seen for many years.
it's crazy. Like it's like 4% the bonds of Japan, and there's a lot of people short. They say there's $7 trillion short Japanese bonds. So if they continue, that move, it would have been really melts the financial system. A lot of people think it's because of Greenland or because of some things that politicians says, but it's really the main reason that market was really volatile is the it's a ticking bomb in the Japanese bond market.
Well, I think it's a combination of things. I think that every time there's talks tariffs, the market drops. So it's not all Japanese. So, and the market certainly ripped last week as soon as the invasion and was off the table.
No, it's because Bank of Japan they said that they're going to
I know that's
intervene.
contributing to
They're
it. Yeah.
exactly the same time. Again, a lot of people like they might think that these are correlated, but they had a really huge, 6 inch standard deviation move. So if you look at it, it's mostly because of that. But anyways,
Right.
we'll see what it goes in the
Spies,
next days.
yeah, spies breaking out here as we get closer to the open. Qs are at the high of the session here.
Apple is very interesting. USAR also has a really, really good volume. USAR, USAR, that's great. Great
Is
volume. Spies breaking
yeah,
out.
look at that. Yeah.
Is the market already open? There's a lot of volume going
No,
on.
no, no, no.
What's happening?
We still got a minute. Feels like it.
It's,
It feels like the SPY is
yeah.
jumping up here. Qs are high session now.
SkyTeed, I don't know, but the USAR volume is really nice. It's the Atlas has one big at 31. There's also the Atlas of there's also one really big one down there, but 31 is there's a really big Atlas. It's below the VWAP, so that's the problem. Is shares per short. I really like USAR volume, but you got to be careful, guys. It's also very volatile. So in terms of share size, maybe I'll take 5,000
Okay, here
shares.
we go. Ding, ding, ding.
Ding, 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 ding. All right, so the volume is coming. Let's see where it's going. 31. So it's
Tesla dropped.
SPY is strong. Tesla's dropping.
SPY's dropping out. Nvidia's going up a bit here.
USAR is going through 33. Wow. What was the news on USAR?
They think the government was taking a stake in them.
Oh, that's a good news.
I
Some
take a bit of a
people,
long on that on SPY at that bounce at the 20.
USAR is pretty crazy.
Here we go. Excellent.
Yeah, that was a nice
Oh man,
3 points.
that was just a really nice pullback.
gonna go to 691. I'm gonna go some long USAR at 31.38.
I'm long the SPY, just taking some off here.
Let's see if we can get to 232 USAR.
Got a great bounce off that 9 EMA. Just trading the 690 calls.
Long USAR has averaged 31.50. Oof, SPY is ripping, Brian.
Boom! Yeah, man. Oh man. Let's take some more off here. That was awesome. What an awesome move. I was expecting that. I was expecting a pullback, and then as soon as it hit the 20 EMA on the 2-minute chart, yeah, look at that lead up into the open there. Just again, perfect setup for a long.
Well, USAR is having trouble. Still has a big Atlas at 32 and 30. They're right in the
Tesla's
middle.
dropping.
NVIDIA had a nice week too. USAR is a little bit tricky here.
Yeah, I've taken a fair amount of my position off now on the SPY, just because this is Friday's high right here. So we're just doing some consolidation. But if it's going to fail, I kind of feel like it's a place where it might come back down. You have to remember the last week how choppy it's been in the first hour or so.
All right, I got to stop that on USAR at 30.75. If it comes back above the VWAP, I'm going to add on it, but it looks like the Atlas is bullish on it at 30. See if we can do a 5-minute pin range breakout. Right, USAR. It's trying to come
They're
back
going to
to
try to break out here on the SPY.
I'm going to go back long on USAR at 31.60, 31.50. Let's see if the big Atlas at 32 is there. So, Atlas 32 is there, but there's still that big order down there. We'll see.
Okay, here we go. SPY moving up. Look at this. It's awesome.
Is it all-time high in SPY or not yet?
I don't think so. No, I don't think so.
All right, Brian, are you just with me on USAR?
No, I'm just trading the SPY right now.
Okay.
Qs are breaking out too here, guys.
Maybe it's really go up. Heavy at 32. Very heavy at 32.
We could go to 695 on the SPY here. That would be Friday's high.
NVIDIA is a very nice week too. CRWE
It is breaking out nicely. Ooh. Tesla pulled up back all the way to S6. Pretty close. AMD's finding a bottom here.
Daily chart look like on USAR. Weekly chart, spring. See up there, huh? So USAR has some Atlas 3333, but also there's a big one at 30. So I guess it's trying to find a direction. SPY is ripping. NVIDIA was a nice launch of taking that. AMD sold off. Friend, are you still long?
Yep. Still kicking it. Yeah, we're at $2.43, $2.40 on these. I'm in around $1.50. Yeah, CoreWeave is breaking out too here.
Spinning down. Brian, no phone. Focus on trading. Don't check your Instagram.
I'm trying to fucking. Right.
All right, I think we need to get out of this USAR, huh? What do you think?
It's not as clean.
Yeah, I got out of it. COWV is interesting. It's going toward 108.
Yeah, I took some more off here on, I'm just about out of calls. Took some more off on the SPY. We're right at, we're right at R6 now.
Right, so
Anyone trade the SPY with me today?
why?
Let's
No.
just see.
Yeah, USAR definitely now the bids are lower, 29. Now it's doing an engulfing, so it might sell off. Silver did nothing. ASM, Discover T, CRWV might go to 108. NVDA, it's NVDA Atlas look like. $187 is a big order. There's also some big orders up there. So that's some NVIDIA out. See what's happening with NVIDIA.
What did make? Oh, nice. Beauty. Nice short on Tesla, Megan. Gracias. Gracias, señor.
You're missing you here, Brian.
Look at this. What's that?
You're missing you here a lot.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get a long on NVIDIA, 8875. See if this one's gonna go back to how it
Brandon's trading USR short, lost the VWAP. It did lose the VWAP, you're right.
All right, so I'm long NVIDIA, guys, at 8860. It's been higher 88. Let's see if we can break apart today. NVIDIA on the Atlas has something be 190. See if we're there.
Look at yeah, we're breaking out again here. Holy crapula.
Yeah. NVIDIA is doing pretty good. Let's see if guys, NVDL is the 2 times leverage of NVDA, so it's going up nicely. See if we can break up 5 today. Again, NVIDIA has an Atlas at 190. Right now it's trading at NVIDIA at 89. So there you go. NVIDIA is popping up for the half today. Very, very nice. Come on.
NVIDIA invested more money in CoreWeave.
Yeah, still below there. I think a little bit more on
Wow.
NVIDIA. See if you can actually get another. Oh,
NVIDIA's at R3 right now. Man, Tesla, hopefully you're still short Tesla,
AMD.
Megan. And Megan, yeah, that's just Tesla's there. No love today.
NVIDIA.
Wow. Holy crap.
Staging came back. What did the USAR do with that piece of garbage? It's holding the 30, huh?
I didn't really like the way it was trading at the into the open. I'd love the way the SPY and the Qs were trading into the open. It was just really nice setup for a long.
So I have a fairly big size on NVDL. See if we can actually break the high of today. Struggling. But no, it's gonna go, it's gonna go. 189.50 and 190, they have some big orders. The break the R3. Apple moved up nicely too, actually.
Still got buyers. We bought that dip. Bounce off the 9 EMA on the indexes. Finding the index is way easier to trade these days. Gary, what did you do? Oh, you played APLD. Okay, you got a nice pullback at the open too.
He's still staying in the long on NVDL. DSAR has a big order to 29. Atlas is really bearish on it. It's the first day in Spain isn't going well. Por favor.
Por favor, por favor.
Por favor, move, por favor.
Qs are coming close to Friday's high. Kind of feel like we might get a pullback here.
SPY is still making highs, huh? Which sector is crazy in the SPY? Sectors, utilities are running up. Utilities are very strong. Are you in any trade, Brian?
Yeah, I'm still holding a few calls of SPY.
So Nvidia, I might get out of it. It's not doing anything. I'm getting a stop out of Nvidia with you guys at 88.45. Yeah, it's a bad loss. Yeah, it didn't break out. Now the Atlas is bearish on it. There's 187. And it's going down. What's our good buddy Tesla doing? Forming the bottom.
Seems to be trying to find a bottom here. The book has turned a little bullish in my view.
Tesla?
But there are still some orders there at 438.
Tesla think actually does look bullish. And you can complain about Tesla. No. Paris, you traded, that's APLD. Nice. Paris is a really nice trade, I think.
Very.
APLD, applying to, wow. How did you find APLD? Amazing. See, selling off, NVIDIA is going to go red.
These aren't really selling off. They're just pausing at the Friday's high.
So
Now
NVIDIA,
Nvidia could be a 920, although I don't like the fact that it's already dropped below the VWAP. We seem to be stalling out a little bit here. Nvidia is really selling off. Hey, it's gone red on the day. There we go. So Tesla did come down and take out those orders at 438. I'm just going to see how we react here if we eventually, as long as we're holding the 9 on the Qs and the SPY, I'm still going to stay in this SPY trade long. Gary, I'm surprised you didn't trade SPX at the open. I just wasn't prepared for SPX. I should have traded SPX instead of the SPY options.
Yeah, my Atlas also has the same issue, cheap. So it looks like it's a little bit difficult to zoom. I'll just send an email to the developers. It seems like it's an issue, especially for NVIDIA, for testers like that.
NVIDIA, it seems to be okay with Tesla. Are you talking about the little balls are not coordinated with the lines?
Yeah, and I can't make it to the Zoom center. Uh,
Oh, yeah, I'm having trouble getting Tesla centered.
yeah, as soon as, I'll send a screenshot to the developers quickly.
Yeah, yeah, look at NVIDIA sell off. Wow, it's down at Friday's low right now. I'd expect a bounce here. Man,
Yeah, same.
I really don't want to take another trade right now. Here we go. SPY's going to break out. Diddly doodly. It's the way we like it.
I'm on,
Uh-huh, uh-huh.
you think internet? Is it the Starlink? I'm on the Starlink, but I can switch to the other one.
Ooh, I don't like that. That was like a false breakout. Failed on the SPY. See what it does from here. See, look at that beautiful bounce right off of Friday's low on NVIDIA. Nice little bounce there.
Did you take it?
No, I didn't. Honestly, this one trade that I've done on the SPY is just working for me, so I don't.
You don't want to lose. That's so sticky
Yeah,
trade.
just this just been. I just like to have. If I can do a one and done, this would be awesome.
Yeah, for me it's not great. I had a really bad day. Both of them got me.
Q is really rejected at the yesterday's high. Now Friday's high. It actually did push there.
Spy is so strong. All the utilities are really weakened. NVIDIA Atlas is really difficult to read now. Apple, strong, CRWV, 3108. I see a really nice trade on APLD. And down there. USAR really sold. Let's see what their test on Atlas and USAR. Still big order 28. Bonds are strong. Ryan, how does it feel that you made money and I lost money? Because that's usually
I
you
don't,
are. Make money, you
I
lose
don't,
money.
I don't feel good. I don't feel good about it. Uh,
See, that's how I
I'll,
am all the time. Like when I make money, you lose money. So,
I'll tell you, I'll send you some cash, bank
please,
transfer.
from two contracts of a spy that you traded,
No, actually, I went heavy on them. I did 15.
15 contract. Ooh, you're on hinge, man. You're living on the edge.
Yeah,
How
I
much did you
felt,
make?
uh, I felt the love. Um, 800. All right, right now I'm at 800.
Nice. That's good. Very nice. I'm down $24,000. I think it's the same. PLTR. What's PLTR doing?
Mhm. Like I said, I needed another minute to get set up on it. I would have probably gone SPX and I would have been up way more. But I'll take that as a win anyway.
Let's see what I'm using. NVIDIA again, it's really hard. Some big access at 190. It's
Here we
kind
are.
of
We're breaking
flat.
out from yesterday's Friday's high on the Qs. Now we're at a high above
Yeah.
that. SPY, we're already well above Friday's high.
We're gonna take another long on NVIDIA just because I'm bored.
It's
88.20.
it's right at the VWAP right now.
Just, I don't know, just putting in something. Short Intel would be also seems like a very interesting trade. Well, Intel actually finding the bottom at the street. So it's also trying to find the bottom. Bonds are going up, AMD is trying to go up. Still on NVIDIA, 11. Goes right flat for the day. You're shorting NVIDIA? Ah, damn. Paris is
Yeah, it could have
shorting
been
it.
yeah, I was right at the VWAP. Um, he went short. That would have been, if you're going to enter, that would have been a good place to go short.
So let's see. We can a little bit more time to see what's going to do, but I think it's not a great trade, NVIDIA. Well, the problem with NVIDIA is it's just kind of flat. It doesn't seem that it's really in play on a daily chart even. Yeah, it's been stuck in the range. The only reason that I took it was, I don't know, there's a big order on Atlas and the Qs were strong, but that's not really a good trade. Um, this EDL, it was trades.
Okay, I'm starting to roll over here, so I'm going to take the rest of this off. We've lost the 9 on the SPY. What have we got? There was there some news at 10? We had durable goods this morning. So the villa you're staying at looks really nice. Paris has
It's, yeah.
posted a few videos.
We miss you, Brian. He says, we miss you, Brian.
I heard. I heard. Part of me definitely wishes I was there.
Well, guys, we restarted the server on the Atlas, so it should be fixing that issue that we had on that. Yeah, they emailed, they said they retested the server, we restarted the server. So that was apologies for that. I also told my developers if they can, they push the price of NVIDIA higher. So
You get Reza to buy
we're
more
working.
SOXL.
Thank
Yeah,
you. Yeah,
yeah. Get Reza to buy more SOXL.
yeah, it's just. All right, so SPY is still strong, Qs are still strong.
And
SPY.
yeah, Intel. Intel was trading down. Yeah, look at Intel. Intel's been Intel kind of did a 920 right around just before 10 o'clock there. It doesn't move a lot though. It's not moving a lot.
Yeah, it's a very low ATR Intel.
Yeah, it's really man, did it ever sell off? Two trading days ago, it was almost $55. Now it's 43. What a move. The humanity for the people that went long at what was the high here? 54.60.
That Mr. President tweet something.
PLTR is rolling over too. PLTR is another one that hasn't been performing well on a daily and a weekly chart. Yeah, PLTR is kind of rolling over.
NVIDIA is Atlas is very dear. It's big order at 188, big order at 187. Just more like bearish. Um, Definitely is a situation that I shouldn't be in there, so I guess I'm gonna get out of it.
PLTR 167 looks like it's been support in the past. If it loses there, wow, it's going to go to into the 150s. Wondering if this is a higher or a lower high on the SPY here. So I'm out of it right now. Just looking at spot gamma. There's a hedge wall at 69.20, 25-ish.
USAR seems like it's found the bottom. Mm. Spike. I see the love. I'm actually trading on Starlink.
It's really pretty good.
Surprisingly, it's really good. It's better than the internet from the hotel. Because usually the
Really?
problem that we have in these Airbnbs, they just want to go cheap. They get the cheapest
Yeah,
internet.
yeah,
I said I might as well bring my own Starlink.
yeah.
I'm
Wherever
getting
we've
out
gone,
of NVIDIA,
Starlink
guys.
has been
I'm,
really good.
yeah, I'm getting out of NVIDIA. This is a very bad trade since the beginning. I am pretty down. Wow, BNAI is collapsing. Apple is still strong. What was the news on Apple? Why Apple is going popping up?
It's a good question. Apple usually goes the other way
Apple is
from
usually
the
staying
market.
above. Yeah.
You said I think in the 57.
I
Sales.
didn't. I didn't see any specific news on Apple. They do. They are reporting this week.
Oh, this week, by the way, is a crazy week for earning.
Yeah, we've got a lot of major earnings coming up this week. We've got Microsoft, we got Meta, we've got Apple. I'm missing one, Tesla, and we got Tesla amongst a few others.
Tesla sold off but bounced back to 438.
And it's still trading below the VWAP. Might be doing a 920 here. Although I don't like how long it's consolidated at this level.
For a short, yeah.
Yeah, for like a 920. Usually the 920s don't work out after sort of a long period of consolidation, and especially it's put in a higher low here.
JP Morgan raises the price to 315 for the stock of Apple.
The LTR is rolling over. Yeah, I mentioned see that Gary mentioned that too.
Okay, so I'm pretty down. Unfortunately, this Mr. NVIDIA and USAR were not nice loss. USAR is finding the bottom, but it's really volatile. You can't really read anything on it on FS. NVIDIA is also garbage.
Okay, I'm short the SPY just a little bit here. Might do a 920 here, but I'm short it right now just because the Qs have made a lower high.
You're shorting the SPY?
Yeah, I'm short SPY.
Shorting the SPY.
Now this might be a very quick trade. I'm already going to take some profits here.
Gary, what did you trade? LTR. Silver, most of the moves are intraday. Sky T, that one's gosh. What did Peter and Carlos trade at? Let's see what those guys are up to. Peter and Carlos.
Yeah, I've been slowly taking some profits on my silver trades too. It's just been going parabolic here.
It's crazy.
Yeah, you get parabolic moves.
It's really short.
Funny, I'm still short a little bit. I've taken most of the position off. See if we continue to break down.
Is there a short ETF of silver? We can short it.
I don't know. I'm long natural gas. It's hasn't worked. It's working so far. Might be a couple week play on that one, given all the devastation and destruction in the U.S. How did you fare, Jared? You okay? Was it? Did you get snow or freezing rain down at your place? Oh, okay. 25 degrees Fahrenheit. That's uh that's cold for where you are. Okay, so we're still selling off here. Qs are still selling off. S- And this last bit of this trade may not work out.
Amazon is bouncing back. Intel is still selling off. Intel had an
And look
earning
at that.
a few days ago. Oh, yeah, that's why all the move came
So
back up.
you did get a bit of a 920 on Tesla.
See what Benzo
Um,
vessels.
honestly, I liked the chances of SPY better because it was well in the green and the Qs weren't. I mean, I could have picked out either. I could have picked either one. It didn't. I mean, it didn't really matter. I think the setup on them was both of them was really good. I'm really liking this pre-market pattern of the last two or three 2 minute
Right.
bars,
Yeah, that's
just
good.
showing a direction. Like this morning, if you look at the last, if you're looking at a 1 minute chart, last 5 bars of SPY, it was there were buyers there, and they were chomping at the bit.
Brian, the spy is breaking out. Are you
Yeah,
still
I know. I
short?
can see that. I've had no. I covered the rest of it. As soon as it broke back through the 20 or the 9 EMA, I should say. Yeah, you see, I was worried that this was going to be like a 920 trade. I just kind of like the way the Qs rejected the second time at R4.
Let me see the futures.
Yeah, that trade was a counter trend trade, so you just have to be really careful. You're in it for a good time, not a long time. Yeah, look at the Tesla's now breaking out. Bit of a double bottom there. Is Paris long Tesla?
Paris, are you long Tesla?
I'm short MU.
He's short MU. That's interesting.
What's he short?
MU.
Oh, MU. Okay.
Michael.
Look, I've got my Bear Bull trading mug. It's been good luck for me this year.
Hey, so SPY broke
Yeah,
dive.
AMD. Wow, yeah, SPY's at high of day now. Should have reversed my trade there. AMD is losing it.
It was really weak in the pre-market too. There was some sort of a news, I
Mm.
think, before 8 a.m. On it.
Yeah, there was a big drop right just around 8. And did Tesla do, or did Nvidia do the same thing? No. If anything, Nvidia went up a bit. Maybe it was that CoreWeave thing.
Maybe, yeah, maybe because of the news of the core group, that one
Yeah,
saw.
because implied move 69.50.
Tesla was a really nice bounce. Tesla is an amazing bounce, Brian. Apple is still strong. Silver is strong. Intel is still selling off. Nvidia is going back up.
Yeah, look at just the SPY and the Qs breaking new highs here. Can't stop, won't stop.
All right, let's see what the atlas of Nvidia is. It's really something interesting. Oh, guys, I had a really bad day. I don't know if I want to take another losing trade. If the USAR was breaking out 33, that'd be really nice. Microsoft. Microsoft is
Yeah,
strong.
Tesla's got some big orders. Tesla's book is a little bit bullish here.
Yeah,
Some
towards
big
440.
orders at 442, 442.50. Yeah.
4150.
And the only problem is it's had a couple of green cap bars here. Needs a bit of a pullback. Oh man, SPY and Qs are still going here. Should have flipped my position.
Alright, I'm frozen. I'm back. Maybe TSLL. Maybe that's the trade that we have to take. TSLL.
That was 695 on the SPY. It's still possible.
That's what you said
69.
at the open.
Yeah. SPY and Qs moving higher. Oh, look at her go.
Alright, so Nvidia went back green. Spies really breaking out nicely. If Tesla gives us a pullback, I might buy some Tesla at the VWAP at 440. If it gives us a little bit of pullback.
book is bullish.
Now seems like a good ace three. Yeah, it's not giving us any coolback though. It just keeps ripping. Wow, bonds are also moving up. EOTR. This was very flat. The whole day. Still making new highs. Utilities are very strong. Energy and consumer discretionary is doing nothing. So interesting. Yeah, let's see what Tesla can go back to VWAP. Maybe I added on that, but I don't want to make the mistake of NVIDIA again. See if it goes back a little more. But the Atlas of Tesla is, I don't know, it seems that I'm trying to force trades that.
Yeah, just Tesla's book is still it is still bullish. It's probably just going to have to, maybe it'll pull back to the VWAP here. And maybe play it for a bounce off that.
Hmm.
What's VWAP?
So he just popped out. It's a new all-time high on silver, huh? Is there any use for silver in any of these
No,
industrial? It's
it's
just a
just
hedging people running
just
away.
it's just a momentum trade at this point. It's just it's it's a hot sector mania.
Yeah, so they just do it because of the panic of the economy and recession and tariffs and everything, huh?
Yeah. It's gold, but then silver has some industrial uses. It's used in EVs. It's used in solar panels, and it's has all sorts of uses. Okay, here we go. There's a pullback on Tesla. I'll try a small option trade on Tesla.
For a long,
Yeah, for a long 440.
440, okay. Since you're doing this, I'm gonna get some TSLL at
Oh,
1801.
I'm just gonna just to say I tried it for a bounce off the VWAP.
I need to 18 TSLL. Put a stop at 17. I put a stop loss at 1792.
Big order kind of showed up at well, not like an Atlas on it now.
It's 440 over there up there.
Yeah, but there's an order 438, and then there's some order there, 10,000 shares, followed it down. Yeah, well, that's not good. That didn't work out. Gonna get out of it. It's
Horrible,
probably
yeah.
gonna might bounce here, but
Me too, I got out of it. Thank you, Brian, for this
oh,
loss. Appreciate that.
look at that. Well, this seller just showed up there, threw up a wall. Now it's
You have,
probably gonna bounce.
you have a friend like Brian, you don't need any enemy.
Jared. Well, like I said, it was a setup I would have taken, just pull back to the View app. Just just didn't work out. And the issue really, I think, is the Q and the SPY are rolling over right now. So that didn't help the trade either. I would take that trade. I would take that trade again. That was a setup I would have taken. It just didn't work out. And that's why I kept my position really small too. So I only did like 3 calls. So I lost $100.
Right, so guys, I think I'm done for the day. Really, really bad. Look at Tesla hustle though. That can't get a signal. It was just waiting for us to
I
hold
know.
on.
Well, we didn't chase it at the long. We didn't chase it at 441. We waited for that pullback. But unfortunately, yeah, as soon as this seller showed up here at 440, and then when the price started to roll over, he dropped his ask to follow the order. That was a bad sign. And then he dropped his ask again. So now we've come down and filled this big order at 438. Oh, I didn't think the SPY and the Qs were going to go roll over either. So now we're doing another 920 here on the SPY and the Qs.